What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about having on summer tires when it's below 40 degrees. So you see the car behind me, still got my stock summer tires on. These are performance summer tires, and you should definitely not be driving them in the winter time. And looking at my phone, the weather today, 34 degrees. So this is just going to be a quick video, just giving you a little bit of information on if you drive your car with summer tires on in the winter time, why it's a bad idea. So before you leave the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see whenever I post. So let's jump into the video. Alright, so I know I'm not supposed to be driving on summer tires when it's cold outside, but I haven't gotten around to getting my winter set put on. I'm gonna do it, but just doing this video today for the purpose of making this video, just to inform you all. So the main reason you don't want to do this is because of the lack of performance. So with the summer tires on in cold weather, you'll lose a lot of traction, a substantial amount of traction. So summer tires, they get sticky once they get hot, and it's obviously not hot out here, so they can't get sticky, so they won't stick to the road. So therefore you're going to lose out on your performance. And with the compounds, the rubber and plastic compound in these tires, it gets hard, so it's like you're driving on hockey pucks. I say that a lot. So you definitely don't want to be driving around with summer tires on. If you're for like a day or two, maybe that's okay, but if you're doing it permanently, you don't want to do that at all. Another reason, you don't want to damage the tires. So when summer tires, they get cold, they can also crack too. So you definitely want to make sure that you don't just keep these outside in the cold in the winter time. You definitely want to put them away in some kind of a warm place. Like when I take this set off, they're going to go in the house. Like I keep the winter set outside in the garage, but the summer sets, they come in the house just so they don't get cold and crack. These tires are not cheap at all, so you definitely want to store them in the right temperature. And with that being said, let's get this thing out on the road and see how bad the traction is. I'm just going to keep traction control on. You can see how it's going to be sliding around. So let's jump in the car, and I'll get some PDR footage too. You can see the traction control light and all that. So let's go. You can see the car start to try to pull away from me when I do an aggressive takeoff. Just fishtailing right there. I probably shouldn't do it right here because it looks a little wet. Shouldn't be doing this at all, to be honest, but it's for the sake of the video to show you all why you shouldn't be doing this. But yeah, as you can see in the previous clips, like the traction control is going crazy and I'm fishtailing a little bit. I showed you all the video of me just trying to take off really fast, but let's see what happens when I try to do the opposite and try to stop the car really hard while it's cold. I'm assuming we're gonna see a lot of sliding, but let me put this thing on the tripod and we'll see. first clip of my intro. And I started about right here in the driveway, and I slid, just moving forward. I was sliding, and then I couldn't stop. I almost ran straight into my garage trying to make a video clip for YouTube. If you do want to drive your summer tires in the snow, don't. Like, you're not doing yourself any favors, and now to be chaotic. Like, just don't do that. You're putting yourself and others at danger. All right, folks, that's enough of this. I'm out here freezing. Let me get back home so I can start working for the day. So, yeah, use this video as a precaution. If you are driving with summer tires on when it's cold out, please be careful. Give yourself extra distance to stop, and don't be so hard on the accelerator. But hope you all enjoyed this video. I only made this for you all because I'm wearing it. That's wear and tear on my tires, and y'all know how I feel about replacing stuff. So I only made this video for you all. Like, I normally wouldn't do this. Like, I didn't even have anywhere to be today, so I'm just out here showing you guys so you can know what to expect when you drive your summer tires below freezing or below 40 and 45 degrees. So that's anything below 40 and 45 degrees, summer tires. You need some all seasons or a set of winter tires. And I'm going to get my winter set put on this week. But with that, I'm going to end this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you all out on the next one. Peace out.